bike I picked up on Craigslist for $110. I'm going to be taking the motor off so we can put the 212 Predator, and I'm going to also be sanding and painting it. So I'm going to take off the clutch cover, or the chain guard, my bad. So now I'm going to take off the clutch guard, and I'll just come back. Popped out my master link, and now you just want to take your chain right up. Just pops right up. Now we're gonna unbolt the engine. Just take it all 4 of these bolts, and then your engine should come right off. And I'll be back after I get it. And take out these bolts so you can take off the wires. That wire right there was in that, and then you just unplug it. That's it. And now, there you go. There's the motor off. Okay, I'll come back and I'll start taking off the, well, what we're going to do, we're going to take off the fenders and all the stickers, clean it all off, then sand it all. And yeah, so I just took these 3 out, and the seat comes right off. So I think it's time to clean the frame. Alright, well, sorry guys, I kind of went ahead and did a step without you guys, because the camera had to charge. But what I did, pretty much all you gotta do, the bolt right there, you hold the top with a wrench and then unscrew the bottom one, and then the fork will just come right off of here, And then what I did on here, it's pretty much the same for the wheel too. You just take off the 2 bolts, and just pull out the axle. And then the only other thing I took off was the chain roller. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I got my frame all cleaned off. I just got it all clean and got all the gunk off. So I guess what I'll be doing now is my paint stripper. So, yeah. Newspaper for stuffing. Oh, here's the muffler. It looks way bigger than it does like online. Alright, here's the air filter kit. It's in here. Oh, the timing key, I think, is what this is. Yeah. Here's my 18-pound spring. Here's one, and then here's the other one. My racing spark plug. Here's my my longer carburetor stud for my air filter adapter, and the chokehold bracket. Oh, and then there's my jets and emulsion tube. And then last is my exhaust pipe. Here, you know what that. There's the exhaust pipe. And then here you go, hold that. So this here's the muffler. Oh yeah, and this just screws that on. Sweet. Alright, but so far the project is coming pretty good. Here's the frame for my Baja mini bike, and then my Predator. It's my Predator, and the wheel and fork, it's all taken apart. Partly stripped fenders. There's the old engine, little 79 or 97cc. But yeah, so there's my parts. I'll take off the bolt for the air filter box. This is plugged into here, and you just unplug it. And then there's this too up here. There, just like that. And the 2 bolts are out, so it should slide right out. Just like that. Here's your car. Okay, so after you follow how to take off the air filter, you'll be to here, and I'm going to show you how to hook up your upgraded air filter. So you take your adapter, hold on, when you install your longer carburetor stud, you just get a pair of vice grips and clamp them on tight, and you just turn them left and take it off, and then you put in your new one. You just screw it in. Alright, so, oh wait, hold up. Put your gas kit on first. Just like that. And then your air filter. Put right. Just put right on. And then, hold on. Your 2 bolts. side. Oh. And just keep doing it back and forth. Okay, and there's that. Grab your air filter. This is kind of hard to do with one hand. So you just push your air filter on, get it nice and flush. There's a little thing there. Get it nice and flush with that. So it's flush. Now, get a flat head. Oh, there's a flat head. Right. So hold on. Gonna tighten that down. No tight. So, get it nice and tight. And then, last, if you got a chokehold bracket, attach a small hole to your adapter. There's going to be a hole in your adapter. Oh, hold on. And then you just put the screw in the small hole and then twist it in the back of the adapter. And then your choke stays right on and it won't come off. Okay. Okay, so I got two nice pieces of tape to put right over the bearings. Just gonna put that right over. This way I don't get paint strip on the bearings. And just do the same thing on the back. Alright, so the fenders and chain guard are all pointed up, so I'll come back after I paint them. Yeah, alright, so I have the frame painted. Sorry you didn't get a suit it looked like when it was primered. But yeah, I kind of went ahead. So I did 2 coats of paint and it turned out pretty good. And I guess I'll show you guys like a little painting technique. So nice and wet, keep moving or else you're going to get runny paint. And you just keep moving. I finished the clear coat for the frame, and I painted the rims and stuff like that. But I finished the clear coat, and it turns out good. We already put the seat and the wheel on. I'm not going to show how to put the bike back together because it's the exact same thing as how we took it apart. You just do the reverse steps. So yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's assembled without the motor. Okay guys, we're almost done. Now we need to add the throttle. So this is gonna be kind of hard holding the camera. There's a thing right there, and you wanna tighten the screw down on that little metal part right there, and then there's a screw right. And there's a screw right there. And so you're gonna put it through here, like this. Oh my god. Like this. And then get it through that one. Oh, hold up. Where is my... Oh. Gotta loosen it up so the wire can feed through it. I need a wrench. So I'll come back after I loosen that screw. It's all hooked up. So just loosen that screw. Loosen the screw right there. And put your metal part of your cable in there. Tighten the screw down really tight. And then this one here, you put your actual cable wire through it. And then tighten it. And then that's it. I already put the clutch on. I'm not going to show how to put that on because I've looked and there's already videos on YouTube on how to do that. I'm not going to show how to put the exhaust on either because it's really simple, and if you can't put an exhaust on by yourself, I really don't even think you should be trying to build a mini bike. But yep, that's pretty much all.